Hello everybody. Let us have a look at technical view on the equity market. Nifty opened on a marginally positive note today and traded in a very narrow range and ultimately posted a positive close. However, it has formed a doji which indicates loss of momentum and indecision in the minds of market participants. However, momentum indicator is suggesting that a trend for Nifty is down as it is trading in the negative territory. So we expect Nifty to break on the downside from the current range, which is around 5730 to 5630. Once the lower end of the range, that is 5630, is broken, Nifty can attempt to test this rising trend line, which is close to 5540. Overall, Nifty is also forming a head and shoulders pattern, and the neckline is also close to 5635, 5630 mark. Once that is broken, conservative pattern target is also close to 5547. Early chart shows the range bound trading in Nifty since last few sessions. Even early momentum indicator continues to oscillate around the equilibrium line. However, once the lower end of the range is broken, one can expect Nifty to fall down to 5540 mark. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also traded in a narrow range since last few sessions. It touched upper end of the it touched upper Bollinger Band. However, couldn't extend beyond that, and in fact from there it has started falling towards the lower band. One can expect Bank Nifty to form equality, which is close to 40-day mark. So crucial supports for Bank Nifty will be 11,244 and 11,160, and crucial resistances will be 11,585 and 11,657. Equality target is 11,160 from short-term perspective. Now we will have a look at a couple of stocks that are looking bearish from short-term perspective. First is BPCL. As can be seen from the daily chart, BPCL has formed a large bearish flag pattern, and it is about to break on the downside from the pattern. 20 daily and 40 daily moving averages are there to resist on the upside. Even the momentum indicator is in bearish mode. So BPCL is expected to trade with bearish bias going forward, with crucial supports near 335.60 and 329. and crucial resistances near 349 and 352. Next stock is L&T. L&T has been moving up since last few sessions. However, the run-up looks matured now as the stock has formed bearish outside bar on the daily chart today, and the bearish formation has taken place near daily upper Bollinger Band, which further intensifies the bearish significance. Even a daily momentum indicator that is showing negative divergence has triggered fresh sell signal today. So L&T is a good short from short-term perspective, and key supports are 1643, 1576, and key resistances are 1720 and 1750. Thank you.